Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times and click on done. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on this filter icon. After click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps. After turn on show system apps and click on OK. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps and search Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth and click on storage and click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, again open quick settings panel and turn on power saving button. After turn on power saving mode, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.